Your bedroom is a sanctuary, a place to unwind. But what if it's a little on the small side? Don't worry. Today we're diving into the world of interior design with a focus on small bedrooms. Don't underestimate the potential of a small space. With smart design choices, you can transform it into a cozy, functional, and stylish retreat. We'll be sharing 5 innovative design ideas that can help make your small bedroom feel larger and more comfortable. Welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to a better living space. First on our list is the magic of mirrors. Mirrors hold a special place in the world of interior design. They're not just functional items for personal grooming, but also key players in the art of illusion. When strategically placed, mirrors can make a small bedroom appear larger. They reflect light and the room itself, creating a perception of depth that tricks the eye into seeing more space than there actually is. There are various ways to incorporate mirrors into your bedroom design. You can opt for a large full-length mirror against a wall, or use multiple smaller mirrors to create a feature wall. Mirrored furniture, such as a wardrobe or chest of drawers, can also amplify the illusion of space. But remember, the placement of the mirror is as important as the mirror itself. Always position your mirror to reflect the most open part of your room or a beautiful view. So don't underestimate the power of mirrors. They don't just reflect your image, they can also reflect your style and personality. Mirrors are not just for reflection, they can visually double your space. Next, let's talk about storage. The cleverer, the better. When it comes to small bedrooms, every square foot counts, and that's where smart storage solutions come into play. One of the most underutilized spaces in a bedroom is the area under your bed. Tucking away seasonal clothing or extra bedding in this space can free up your closet for your everyday essentials. Moving on to furniture, why settle for single function pieces when you can opt for multifunctional ones? Think of a bed frame with built-in drawers or a nightstand that doubles as a desk. These types of furniture not only save space but also keep your room clutter-free. Now let's not forget about built-in wardrobes. These can be customized to fit your room perfectly and offer ample storage without taking up too much floor space. Plus, they can be designed to blend seamlessly with your room's decor, maintaining a clean and streamlined look. Remember, every nook and cranny can be a potential storage spot. Now, let's brighten things up with our third idea: light colors. There's a simple yet effective trick in interior design to make any room feel larger and brighter, using light colors. Light colors, especially whites and off-whites, have the ability to reflect natural light, which creates an illusion of spaciousness and breathability. But don't limit yourself to just white. There are countless shades and undertones to explore. Pale blues and greens can bring a calming, serene feel to your room, while light grays can add a touch of sophistication. Pastel shades of yellow or pink can inject a lively yet subtle energy. Remember, your small bedroom is your personal canvas. Feel free to experiment with different light color combinations and shades. You can also incorporate these colors not just on walls, but also in your bedding, curtains, and accessories. With the right color palette, your small bedroom can feel like a spacious retreat. Our last 2 ideas go hand in hand, utilizing vertical space and embracing minimalism. So let's jump right in. When we think of space, we often focus on the horizontal, the floor area. But what about the vertical? The walls and the height of your room can offer valuable real estate for your design needs. Shelves are a great way to start. They are versatile, functional, and can be as decorative as you want them to be. Consider installing shelves near the ceiling to draw the eye upward, creating a sense of height and openness. Tall furniture can also help to maximize vertical space. Think of a slim, high bookcase or a tall boy dresser. Not only do they offer storage, but they also make use of the often neglected vertical space. Even the area above your door could be transformed into a storage spot with a simple shelf. Hanging decor is another excellent way to utilize vertical space. Wall-mounted lamps, hanging plants, or art pieces can add personality to your room without taking up floor space. Now let's transition to our final idea: minimalism. The essence of minimalism lies in the phrase, less is more. It's about reducing clutter and keeping only the essentials. When you limit the number of items in your small bedroom, you create a sense of space. The room seems larger, lighter, and more inviting. Remember, minimalism doesn't mean your room has to be stark or boring. It's about making thoughtful decisions about what you need and what brings you joy. It's about choosing quality over quantity. And there you have it. By going vertical and minimal, your small bedroom can achieve big style. So, there you have it. 5 interior design ideas to transform your small bedroom. We've explored the magic of mirrors, the cunning of clever storage, the allure of light colors, and the potential of vertical space and minimalism. Remember, these are just ideas, and the beauty of design is in the freedom to adapt and create your own unique space. What do you think of these ideas? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home tips and tricks.